Welcome back, guys. I tried and collected interesting videos for you. I hope you like it. Take care of yourself.
долбоеб нахуй, блядь. A fucking crotch rocket. Yeah. Where's that guy going? Where the fuck is he going? Holy shit! What the actual fuck?
Okay, Garmin.
Save video.
He was accepted to 4 of them, and he joins us next.
What the fuck are you doing?
Stop what you're doing and listen close. You know
No. No. Come on.
What? Why don't you call them and find out? Alright, love you.
即係如果夜晚黑嚟咧，就會多車啦。嗰個 number 5多車。
懟佢，懟佢，懟佢！差佬，差佬都甩你，差佬。Just did a fucking U-turn. You just did a U-turn. You just did an illegal. You just did an illegal U-turn. I'm a city cunt. You're going that way. Where are you going to go now? Oh yeah. I don't think you are. Really? Who's the mug? Who's gone the wrong way? You did an illegal U-turn, now you've gone the wrong way. No, you shut up. Grow up a bit. Grow up a bit. Yeah, like, oh, mind that bike. You're fucking dangerous, mate. Yeah, you're dangerous. You might want to calm down a bit, you live longer. Yeah, lose some weight as well, that'll help. Have a diet. Fucking wanker.
Ongoing services requested, and they just paid it because they don't know where it's coming from. But they knew
Really?
there was no service being rented, and so when Elon Musk goes in and they start ripping through all these payments,
The speed limit through here is 25. I'm doing 35.
The government paid you $17,000 this month for an invoice you sent in.
From Charles Schwab, offering investors choices like full-service wealth management, advice, investing, and trading on Thinkorswim. Learn more at schwab.com. And from the John D. and Catherine T. MacArthur Foundation.
Your indicator, idiot.
.org.